Okay, so I've logged in my Pabbly account right here. Okay, and you'll see there are 100 tasks allotted for free accounts, and the tasks are remaining. I've created an workflow here. Okay, so it's the active here and 100 tasks allotted. Okay, and you'll see that 9 tasks already consumed. Already started collecting the leads at my Google Sheet, and 91 tasks are remaining. Okay, there are free tasks have nine tasks have consumed. Okay, so I'll go forward and create a workflow to help you guys create one for you work. And you have to give a name of the workflow. I'll just give a name for the project I'm doing it, right? So just type down the name of your project for which you want to, create the workflow. I won't select any folder. I'll just keep it at home. Okay, and just click on to create a workflow for you. Okay, it will get created. So there is two stages: trigger step and there is action step. So for trigger, from where I want the things to get collected, I want to collect it from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so I'll just from the search bar, I'll just search a Facebook lead ads, right? Okay, so you automatically will get the option. Okay, and what is the trigger event? What I want the lead to get collected, right? So as soon as the leads get collected at the Facebook, I want it to get added to my Google Sheet, right? So I'll just click on the new instant lead, right? So that it gets collected, gets added to my Google Sheet. So I'll just click on the instant lead and have to connect it, right? So just click on connect, and when it will pop up from the right side. So it will select the connection. So I've already done a connection for previous one, so I want to do that. But if you don't have, you have to do add a new connection, right? So I'll just click on the next stage. And you already connected my account already connected, so I have to just select the page for which I'm just running the lead generation ad. So from multiple pages, I'll select my page. Okay, so I've selected the page, and it will actually show all the lead generation form for the page, all the past forms I've created. So from all the lead gen forms, actually have to select for which form you are actually want to automate the process. I've selected the form. Okay, and then you have to save and save request. So you have to check, okay, all the processor, it's okay to save and send a test request. Okay, so here a webhook response will appear. So okay, after that you have to go to a place. I'll show you how to do that. So you have to the testing and troubleshooting. Okay, the meta developer actually did a testing tool. So this page will appear. Okay, and you have to search where is the testing tool. Okay, it's not. Just scroll down a little bit. You'll see. Yeah, yeah, I've got it. Here it is. A testing tool is here to click on it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so from here you actually test the lead form I have to create it. You have to select your page, and yeah, that is my page. And okay, so automatically it got selected. So you have to create a new lead. So just remove the form which I've created, right? So the form will appear here, and you have to fill the form very meticulously so that you don't do any mistake here. You have to select all the options properly. Okay, so I'm just creating a dummy lead. So I'll just give you a random number here. And so okay, so whatever the number or the country you are in, just use your number, dummy number, and give a dummy email here. Okay, but just mention it correctly. Don't just mention at the Gmail. If it's a domain based webmail, you do that. You give a dummy name here. Okay, I'll just give a test. Just type it a full name, or you can just give it here. You give your phone number here, dummy phone number here. Okay, I'll just give you a random city postcode. Whatever the options are, you have to fill out all the options here. Okay, so that no the options left unchecked here. Okay, so I've created it and just click on the continue. Okay, just give some time. Okay, and another after it say okay, the page will appear and just submit it. Okay, so once you click on the submit here, right? So and a green tick line will appear on the back, right? Just cancel it, just close it, just cancel and close, or just cancel it. Okay, so your test lead test has been submitted. Okay, so already a lead has been created. Okay, so I'll just go and check if it has been already created or not. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the response has been captured here. Whatever I have just filled the form, the demo form I have filled, and already it has been captured. Okay, you will see it has been captured properly. Okay, now I have to do one thing. I have to create the action here, right? Okay, so why I want my leads to get collected? Was a Google Sheet. Search a Google Sheet. Okay, it already appears on the top. Okay, so just selected. What's my action? So I want so a row for every leads collected. Want a new row to get added, right? So just click on the connect here. Okay, I selected it and now click on connect. Okay, so I've just checked if everything is fine on the trigger step. Okay, everything is fine, right? But one thing you have to do, you have to configure the Google Sheet as per the Google Sheet columns, right? So I have to copy and whatever the I have to prepare a Google Sheet, configure the Google Sheet as per it, so that there is no mismatch. Okay, so there is a similarity in the forms and on the Google Sheet, so that the data or the information gets mapped properly, right? And okay, you have to do the process here. You have to do the process here. Okay. And for all the columns, you have to create a new column. You have to do that and continue the process here, right? Okay, so just keep on doing it for every for every information or data what you have on the form, so that there's no mismatch in mapping. And to do that, okay, I'll just do that more fast. For all the columns, I properly set it up and okay, as per the forms. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so just what just to go on the actions and click on connect, right? Okay, so it will if it's not already selected. Okay, so it is not selected, it is not showing here, right? So what I have to do, I have to create a new connection, right? To sign in with Google. Okay, so with the same account which you have there on your Google Sheet, right? I logged into the Google Sheet. So okay, I have to give it access to my Google account. Okay, now you'll see authorize successful. And yeah, so it already okay, my spreadsheet already get selected. This is a spreadsheet. I have to select the sheet on which I am going to collect the inform data, leads. Okay, already selected. Now I have to map the data, right? So here I have to click on the empty boxes. Okay, and it's only new lead instant, so you have to match against every every field. You have to match against every field properly and meticulously, so that there is no mismatch. Okay, so one by one you have to do that. You also have to do that very meticulously. Okay, and okay, do that phone number wala thing. Okay, so I have to check I've done everything properly, right? So okay, so that there is no mismatch. The lead form and the field here. Save and send a details request. Everything is fine here. Okay, yeah. So response captured and everything has been mapped successfully. So okay, so I'll just check once more. Just give a save and I'll check once more if it's working properly or not. Okay, so again I'll go on this lead testing tool. Okay, I'll just have to delete the old lead. Okay, so that I can create one, because you can create only one lead at a time. Okay, then I'll have to select the form once again. Here I have to properly select the options here. It will also be dummy test. So I'll just give input dummy numbers and dummy names here. Okay, for to input any random numbers here, right? And you have to any dummy email just mention maintain key. The domains are here, right? So like gmail.com or your web-based domains are here. Give full any dummy name. I'll just give a dummy taste. I'll just give the name, any dummy phone number, contact number you have. Just put randomly, but maintain the numbers are like follows your country code. Or country telecom rules, and like your 10 digits or whatever you have. Okay, so you have to continue here, right? And you have to submit. Okay, to submit the form, and the back you will see that line once again appeared. It tells it has been sent. Okay, so let's go on to our Google Sheet. And yeah, a new lead has already collected here, the dummy lead which we created recently. it's been collected, a new row has been added. Okay, so and all the data has been mapped properly. Okay, there's no mismatch here. Okay, so yeah, just click on save. It already got created. You don't need to worry anymore. Just click on it. It's already got the scenario created. Okay, just go to your dashboard and you will see here that another form has been activated here. Another task and one task consumed. I actually created a new lead because I already created one lead. So it's 10. One it's showing one task instead of two, and showing two active, workflow here. Okay, so we have actually done our job. So if you need more such videos, you can just follow, subscribe this channel.